First, we verified the code. For this, we used NC code to simulate the process. Then, we started the CNC Lathe. This process included powering the machine, deactivating the emergency stop buttons, turning on and loading the controls, opening and closing the door, and turning on the lamp.
To load and unload the part, first we open the clamps by stepping on the pedal control. Then we measure the part to have a total length of the 180 millimeters, which gave us some tolerance for the original 106 part. Then we introduce the part and close the clamps by stepping on the pedal control. Then we close the door.
To set the turret to home position, we push the home button and set the feed rate to 0%. Then we push the cycle start and increase the rate little by little. To check that the turret was in home position, we had to review the two arrows inside the machine were joining in the same point. In order to select the zero setup, we chose the tool number 1 in the MDI program menu. Then we started the spindle with the M03 command with a speed of 1800 RPMs. After that, we got the tool closer to the piece's face and we cut half millimeter with jack button and MPG command. We moved away the turret and stopped the spindle with M05 command inside the MDI program menu. We opened the door, pushed the offset button, and in the work menu we set Z equal to 0 in the G54 coordinate system. We pushed measure button and that was our absolute 0. After that, we proved that we had the 106 mm. Moving with jog and MPG command in negative. Finally, we moved the chuck to make sure it didn't crash with our tool.
We closed the door and took the turret away. To transfer the program from the computer to the CNC lathe, we opened the control key. We pushed Edit, Program, and Directory buttons. We verified that the program number wasn't selected before. As it wasn't selected, we pushed OPRT, F input, and we insert the program number. We got all that. We pushed Execute button. We verified that there was a legend that shows input, which means that the machine was ready to receive the program. In the computer, we opened the Tornoromi program. Once we opened it, we selected Transmit a file and choose our program. Once the transmission is over, the program will be appearing on the machine. For security issues, we verified that the tools were in the right place. We verified that at the end of the program, we had the entry and percentage. We closed the door and made a simulation on the display. For this, we pushed Reset, Edit, Program, and Reset again. For the simulation, we pressed Mode Auto, Program Test, and then we select Graph. After we pushed Cycle Start to visualize the simulation and verified our program was ready to work.
The execution of the program starts when we press the Edit button and the Cycle Start button. We turned off the coolant to have a better visibility of the process. It is important to know that the only thing that we control is the speed of the turret. The process starts with a phasing process, where we use the roughing right to left tool. Then we make the roughing process with the same tool. To cut off the left material, we use the finishing neutral tool, and then we apply a right to left tool for the finishing process. To make the group and parting processes, we use the cut-off tool with a group width of 3 mm, and we apply the coolant at the end of the process. We can see the total machining time of 0 hours, 3 minutes, and 48 seconds. Then we open the door to look our piece.
¡Bebé nació!